Good morning. Lesson number 8. Algebraic expressions and operations on them. Algebraic expression in Marathi it is called Baijik Rashi, and operations means kriya. Last time I have seen operation is kriya. Means what are the operations? Addition operation, subtraction operation, multiplication operation and division operation. In this lesson, the first part is terms, second coefficient, third is variables. Now in Marathi it is called terms is called pad, coefficient is called saguna, and variables is called char. Now you are given one chart. In this chart you have given terms are there. First term is 15xy. Second term is minus 24 p square q cube. Third is 9 upon 4 L. And last term is m square n. Now what do you mean by terms? Now you take first example. Here 15 term, 15 x y. This is you are given first term. Now term means what? Now multiply all coefficient and variable in multiplication form. Now what is the factor of this 15? Is 3 into 5 are the factors of 15. Now I see this one, and this is called variable. Now multiplication of this. Now here is a into x into y, means all these you write in multiplication form. In which form? Multiplication. 3 into 5, 15. And x into y, xy, here multiplication. Mean term is what? The multiplication of coefficient and variable. Multiplication of coefficient and variable is called term. This 15 is coefficient and xy is variable. Now you see here term first 15xy. Now which is the coefficient of this terms? Now you see here 15xy. First example. In this 15xy, the coefficient is 15. What is? Coefficient is 15. 15xy coefficient is 15. What is? And second, what is variables? Variable is xy. X and y. Now coefficient is what? The number. You see here 15x. What is the coefficient? The number or digit in front of variable. The number and digit in front of variable. In front chapter. In front of variable is called coefficient. Now what is variable? You see x and y are called variables. Means what? A small letters from A to Z. A small letter from A to Z. All these are called variables in this algebraic expression. Is simple thing. So in this term, coefficient is 15. What is? Coefficient is 15, and these English letters, small letters, English small letters, x and y are called the variables. Okay, so you see terms means what, coefficient means what, and variables means what. Now second example, you see minus 24 p square q. Now you tell me what is here coefficient and what are the variables. Now same as it is, minus, you write which sign. What is sign here? 24 sign is negative. So minus 24 is, what is? A coefficient. Why? Because in front of the variable, in front of the variable is minus 24. In front of means chapude. In front of the variable is fish and q. In front of the chapude minus 24. And what are the variables? You see here p and q. Do not write their index. Do not write their index. You write only English letters. Here small p and small q are the variable. Don't write their index. Now third, here 9 upon 4 here, that is the terms. Now you write what is the coefficient? Coefficient is 9 upon 4. In front of the variable is L. And what is variable? L. L is a variable in this term. Last example, and square, that is reagent term. Now what is the coefficient? You don't see here, there is coefficient. But there is a coefficient. What is this? 1. Now you see here is 1. What is there is 1. Why? Because 1 into n into n into n. What is the multiplication of this? Is equal to m square n. When you multiply 1 to these variables, the variables you obtain only variables. So what is here? If there is no coefficient, you take coefficient is 1. And what are the variables? M and n. And what is second? N are the variables of the term m square n. So all these terms, coefficient and variable. Do you remember all this point? Okay. Thank you. Next point, like terms and unlike terms. Last time I said what is meant by term. Term is multiplication of what is coefficient and variable, that is called term in simple thing. Now you have got two charts here. First is like terms. This is part of like terms, and second part is unlike terms. Now what is the difference in between like terms and unlike terms? So we have two examples. In like terms we have two examples. Here is also an unlike terms, we have two examples. Now you see what is meant by like terms. First, so you see here 9m, that is first term. Second term minus 15m, and in this third term minus 7 upon 9m. Now you observe carefully these three terms and tell me your observation. In this term, all these terms, you see first what is variable. What is variables? In three terms, here is m, here is m. The second term is also m is variable. In last term, means third term is also there is m. Means here m is a variable. What is? In these terms, all these three terms, m is a variable. Also you see what is the index, or it is also called the power of this m in the first term. What is the power of this m here? Power and index. What is the power of index of this m, and what is the power of index of this m? Now there is no any digit or number. There is no digit and number. Therefore, what is here number? Here is 1. What is? If there is no any digit number, then the index is 1. Here is index is 1. Here is index is also 1. Means here variable is n in these three terms, and also index are the same. Or the index of first term is 1. The index of power of second term of m is 1, and the power of n in the third term is also 1. Means like term means what? The same variable, here is n, here is m, here is n. The same variable with same index. What is same index? So you write here, what is the index is? This is for index or power. Is what is 1. Means here same variable with same index. Same index is 1 is called like terms. Now you see 9m, same variable, index, same index. So all these terms are called like terms. It is very important for next point. Now second example, you write what is same variable. Also write same index. Now we have given second example 15a square bq, and second term is minus 5 upon 3 bq a square. Now we have what is same variable in both. Here is a, here is a. Okay, variable is same, but you see their power also. What is power? Power of a is 2, or index of a is 2. Here is index of a is 2. Okay, this same variable is same index. You write here a, and there is same index is 2. Now what is second variable? B and B. Variable are same, B and B. Now their index or power is same. Here is 3, here is 3. Also here both are 3. Means this example also a type of like term. You don't see what is the coefficient. You don't see. Coefficient is anywhere. But you see only their variable with same index is called like term. Now, what is the definition of like term? A same variable with same index is called like terms. Now use second part. Come in the second part. Unlike terms. You see 5cd minus 7 b square 6 and 19. Here C, D. These are what are these? Variable. Here D and C. Here is also variable. And here is also A, B, C. Means here CD and CD are same, but their index are different. The index of C 1. Here is 1. Here is 1. The index of D 1. But here index is 2. So not same index. Here is also a different VID one. What are the variables? Means here no same index and not same variables. So this is called unlike term. The second example, 14m square and 3mn square minus 2 upon 3m cube n square. Here variables are same. M in the second sum, m here is also same. Here n, second variable is n, here is n, and last term is also same. Means variables are same, but our condition, their index or power is also same. Now you see, m index is 2, the power of m is 2. The power of m is here, not any number, means here the power is 1. But the power is 1. That not same. Here is power is cube. Means here their powers are not same. So this is also called unlike terms. Okay. So that is the difference between like terms and unlike terms.